In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile private if you want more control over what people can see when they search for you online. LinkedIn gives you a simple way to turn off your public profile visibility. This is especially useful if you'd prefer your profile not appear publicly in search engines or be visible to people who are not signed in to LinkedIn. The good news is that the process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. You'll see the Me icon there, which opens up your personal account options. Click on that icon and from the menu that appears, choose View Profile. This will take you directly to your profile page where you can manage the way your profile is presented. Once you're on your profile, take a look over to the right-hand menu area. In the Public Profile and URL section, you'll find a pen icon. Click that pen icon to open the settings related to your public profile. This is the section where LinkedIn lets you control how much of your profile can be viewed publicly outside of your direct network. After that, focus on the right pane where you'll see the Edit Visibility section. In this area, look for the option labeled Your Profile's Public Visibility. If it's currently turned on, your profile may be visible to people outside LinkedIn and potentially in search engine results. To make your profile private, simply toggle that setting to off. Once you switch it off, your public profile visibility will be disabled. That means people who are not logged into LinkedIn or who find your name through a search engine will no longer be able to view your public profile page in the same way. This can be a helpful privacy setting if you want to limit your online exposure while still keeping your LinkedIn account active for networking, job searching, or professional updates. As a quick tip, after changing this setting, it's a good idea to review your profile privacy options from time to time, especially if LinkedIn updates its interface. Settings can sometimes move, but the overall process stays very similar. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can make your LinkedIn profile private and take more control over your professional visibility online.